Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix too many requests error 429 in Hotmail and Outlook. So, this error happens when Microsoft blocks your login temporarily because of too many attempts. Let's get it fixed. Wait about 15 or 30 seconds and then try signing in again. In the most cases, that's all you need. After that, if you're using a web version, simply clear your browser cache and cookies. For that, tap on the three dot, tap on Settings, and just like that, simply select Privacy and Security. Just like that, tap on Delete Browsing Data and choose Cookies and Other Sites Data as well, and then tap on Delete Data. Once you have done that, restart the browser and then log back in again. This removes corrupted session data that may be causing repeated requests. Now next, you can try logging in from another browser or mobile Outlook app. If you're using Google Chrome, you can simply switch to Microsoft Edge. Also, if you are on a VPN or proxy or using browser extensions like Ad Blocker, turn them off and try again. Microsoft often flags unusual IP address as suspicious. So, that's it. That is simply how you can fix Outlook error 492, too many requests. Usually waiting or clearing cache solves it, but if not, the other steps should help. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.